Okay, we're going to take this design and we want to now export it for 3D printing. Really easy. We go up here, we go to export, click on export, and then we need to, from here, we need to go to STL file, and then I have already created a folder called 3D printing, so I'm going to save it in there. Okay, and then basically it will show me the status as it uploads it. It might take a few minutes. Don't close the application, but you should see this status bar as you see. And eventually you'll get a message telling you that it's, there you go, all done.